Need to be writing down example number 2 now. In example number 2, the instructions are the same. Add or subtract, and then simplify. But this one's a little bit different. This one's a little bit different. What's the problem that we face right now, Sarah Kay? We've got to have common denominators. So let's look at A. Okay? I've got 15 and 9. Now, do you see immediately what the common denominator is between 15 and 9, Elise?
45.
Exactly, it is 45. Now let me say something. Here's the way I find common denominators. I take the biggest one, 15, and I'm going to look at the smaller one and say, does 9 go into 15? No. So I'm going to add 15 to 15 and get 30. Does 9 go into 30? No. So I'm going to add 15 to 30 and I get 45. Does 9 go into 45? Yes. So that's the common denominator. I take the biggest one and find out which multiple does the small one go into. Okay? Now let me ask you something. What did I multiply 15 by to get 45? Christina?
3.
3. So that means I need to multiply 7 by 3. And I get 21. Okay? What did I multiply the 9 by, Eric?
5.
So I need to multiply 8 by 5. And I get 40. Now I have a common denominator. Elise, let's go ahead and put them together. What do we get?
You get 61.
61 45ths. Is there a number that goes into 61 and 45? Right?
No.
There is not. They are relatively prime. 61 is prime. 45 is not. Lots of things go into 45. But they don't have a common factor, so we can't reduce them. And that's the way we're going to leave it, CB. I don't want to write this as a mixed number, because it's mixed. I want to just leave it as a fraction. Reduced. Okay? Now let's look at the next one. What is the common denominator between 6 and 24? Remember, I take the big one first. Catherine? 24, right? I take the big one and I say, does 6 go into it? Yeah, 6 does go into it. Okay, well that's our common denominator, because 24 surely goes into itself. Okay? Paris, did I change the second one?
No.
No, so I'm going to leave the numerator the same. All right? What did I do, Harry, to the 6? So what do I get as the numerator? 20. Multiply 5 by 4. Now when I simplify this, Sarah Kay, what do I get? 9 24ths. Okay? Now, can I simplify it any more? Sam?
Yes.
What goes into both of them?
3.
3 goes into both of them. 3 goes into 9 how many times?
3.
And into 24?
3 goes into 24. 8.
8 times. Perfect. Sam, let me ask you this. Anything go into 3 and 8? No, we're done. 3 8s. Okay? Done. All right. Any questions about this before we move on? Nice job. Let's look at the next example.